Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford Explorer Sport. 2015 Ford Explorer Sport, where style meets performance. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 122,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a ride that's fierce and practical? Check out this 2015 Ford Explorer Sport in black on black leather, a stealthy beast. Powered by a 3.5L EcoBoost twin-turbo V6, it delivers 365 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque for all your adventures. Loaded with features like cruise control, a rear-view camera, and a power liftgate for ultimate convenience. Keyless entry and start means no more fumbling for keys. With a clean CARFAX and excellent condition, this Explorer Sport is ready to roll. Plus, with 17 mpg city and 23 mpg highway, you can save while you burn rubber. Whether you're tackling the urban jungle or escaping to nature, this Explorer Sport has got you covered. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.